Okay guys, so if the always on display is not working for your iPhone, there's a few fixes. So for the first one, go into your settings. Press on display and brightness. So scroll down to the bottom, you should see always on display. Just keep in mind not all iPhones support this. So of course you have to turn on always on display, even if it's on, I'll turn it off and back on. So for me it did not solve it. The next thing you're going to do is go into your settings. Just go back to your main settings page. So this time you're going to scroll up and press on battery. Scroll down to the bottom, press on power mode. So you have to make sure that low power mode is turned off. For me that fixed it. What you can also do is swipe from the top right. So for some of these focus modes, they can disable the always on. Just for example, sleep mode will turn off the always on. Okay, so hopefully one of those work, but if not, a couple more things. Just go to settings, press on general, press software update. So just make sure you're up to date. What you can also do is a force restart by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button. So once again, volume up, volume down, hold the side button. Just keep holding to see the apple. Okay guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.